when there is no rain at certain places where people are living, let it be rain. Let it rain, Lord. There is no water at those places, and people are suffering. Birds are dying. Animals on earth are suffering. Plants are dying. Let it be rain, or let it rain, Lord, so that we can drink the water and everybody will be free. Drink water, grow food, take shower and play. So when there is water, we have duties. We have duties for you, and we have duties to grow food, crops, to work, and to build shelters. Animals too. They depend on you, Lord, and earth and water. They have duty. They have duties as well as human beings do. So let there be thanks to you, Lord. Jonathan, Allah. That you brought water to us for the reason that you brought water to us, and that we are your children who are dying and suffering because there is no water for us to drink. And instead of being silent, we have to worship you, pray you, Lord, first. So let thanks be to you, no one else, because you are the mighty Jonathan, Allah. Thanks.